Have you ever wondered why people say don't update your BIOS?
Unless something's seriously wrong with your computer.
Well, it's all because something like this could happen. See, your customer wanted to go ahead and update the BIOS on their board, so they went ahead and did so, but the system lost power halfway through, and then is now getting no display out. And they're getting stuck on code F9 on the motherboard,
Which, crazy enough, is not even in the motherboard manual.
But I have ran into code F9 before, and it's typically all related to a corrupt BIOS.
Which makes a lot of sense because the BIOS firmware never finished installing.
So it basically corrupted itself. And although these days there are a lot of motherboards that have a backup BIOS, this one from ASRock is not one of them. Which pretty much means that this motherboard is bricked. But just to rule out that error wasn't being caused by some kind of hardware, I went ahead and reset the CMOS using this little jumper right here. Installed my own good testing memory, and even swapped the CPU for a known working one, but every time, we end up on code F, proving that this motherboard's bricked. So let's go ahead and get it swapped out with this one from ASUS. So to go ahead and get the board swapped out, let's go ahead and pull out the GPU, pull off our CPU water block, and disconnect all our motherboard cables, which allows us to pull the board out of the case so we can transfer all the hardware over to our new board, just like so, and get that board installed in our case. Once screwed down, we can plug in our motherboard cables, install our cooler, along with our GPU, and just like that, the system is now built so we can go ahead and turn it on, where wouldn't you look at that, the system post. And fires right up in the windows thanks to us removing this bricked board.